Greetings, my fellow traders. It is a bonus video today. Normally, I like to do our viewer suggested trades on Mondays when I get them, and I'm so thrilled to have gotten this one, but I don't think this one's going to be too much of a shock for you. So over there, you'll see GameStop. GameStop has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4, although who knows these days. Its IV rank is currently 33 according to Tastyworks. And I had a viewer comment that wanted a bearish trade on GameStop. So, truth be told, I think we need to look at it. Can you be bearish right now? Could you even take a bearish position? And I think you may be surprised at this answer. So let's hop on in to, let's go with Tastyworks first. I normally am a ThinkOrSwim guy, but we're going to head over to Tastyworks. So join me there. So right now on screen, you can see, oh, by the way, I'm Neil. This is Option Theory, and thank you so much for joining us. You know, what we do here usually is we build out a portfolio using ThinkOrSwim's simulated trading platform, using cherry bomb trades that come from Tastyworks, Tasty Trades, excuse me. And we invite you to join us. And, you know, hey, that sub button is there. Someday, if you decide you like what you get here, we're always happy to have you. And anyway, let's move on. GameStop. Wow. Flat, 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 flat. I mean, like, totally flat. Wow. And then the meteoric rise, which, you know, I've seen it blowing up on Facebook about a group of people manipulating this by buying, right? Which is always great if you're buying down here, right? So the question is going to be, when are people going to say enough is enough and take their profits? You know, it's hard for people, I think, to pass up the opportunity to take profits. So I think we all know what will eventually happen. The question is when. And how, the next question is, how can you profit? How can you position yourself to benefit from this eventual downturn? I hope for GameStop that they stay up, but this does not seem supportable or sustainable, right? All of these indicators are showing that it's overbought here. So let's see what happens. How can we position ourselves here? So let's take a look at the trade button here in Tastyworks. And I will go back over this in ThinkOrSwim because I know many of you, most of my viewers, I think, are ThinkOrSwimmers. But I think you'll see what the real problem is here. If I were just to go to the upcoming month, all right, monthly expiration here, if we scroll down, you'll see we have a whole bunch of open interest on this side and on this side, and then all of a sudden it drops off. Right? There's no open interest here. There's nothing going on. And then the strikes, I think I have all strikes set up. 320 is the last strike that we have here. And you'll see that the current bid-ask is in the 340 range. So you can't even do an at-the-money trade right now. And there is the answer. If that's the TLDR right there, you can go. But I'd love it if you stuck around, right? So we're seeing here that this is what they're saying is at the money. This hasn't updated yet. So now that we see what it's looking like in Tastyworks, let's pop on over to ThinkOrSwim and take a look here. Now we're in the same monthlies for GME, GameStop, looking at the options chains. And as you scroll down here, you'll see, you know, we were in the normal range for it. I mean, look at all this open interest down here in the, I mean, look at this. Wow. Right? Even on the call side. So anybody that was owning a call down here is thrilled. Anyway, you come on down. We're at 320 here. No deltas, no open interest. So, yeah. It would be nice, you know, at this point with the IV, that you're looking at here, let's take a look at that. Look at these IVs. 466%. 349%. That's insane, right? So to me, if I were to position myself on this one, I would probably be looking to do a short call spread because the IV is so high that you're not probably going to be buying puts for, you know, a put spread for cheap. You're not going to get good probabilities and good prices on that one. So you'd have to take a little more risk, but have some better probabilities. But then again, who knows when you see a chart like that, what's going to happen? I think can we all agree Give me a comment on your thoughts on this one. This is not going to stay up, right? Hey, it could. Love to know what you think on this one. So, yeah, I'd be looking to do a short call spread. What would be your bearish choice on this one? And if you're not bearish, what would be your bullish position of choice on this one? I don't know. I think anyone was going to have a hard time being bullish right now. So, anyway, there's no way to take a bearish position right now at the money, or even out of the money if you're looking to do a bearish position on that one. So, sadly, the answer to this question is no, and I can't even. So, we'll have to stay tuned to see what happens to these options chains and see what we can do when it becomes available. So, yeah. I thank you for joining us. If you've made it this far into the video, I want to give you a thumbs up. If you think that I have earned a thumbs up on this one, would you hit that thumbs up? If you are going to hit me a thumbs down, which it might, because, hey, this might be a viral thing on YouTube right now, please leave me a comment as to what you think I did wrong. I try to take constructive criticism. All right, everybody. Until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb trade, everyone, happy trading.